Hello, my name is attorney Stephen Jessup. Today I'd just like to take the opportunity to speak about Dearborn National, or some of their other names that used to be known as Fort Dearborn, or even our other companies, Medical Service Insurance. Dearborn National had bought up a handful of different insurance companies, and now they manage the different policies. If you are watching this video, there stands a chance even that you are actually an employee of a state. Dearborn National does administer a lot of the policies for the various states. If you've had any opportunity to look on our website and seen the reviews and some of the comments posted about Dearborn National, for the handful of positive ones, there are quite a few negative ones. Some of the biggest complaints when it comes to Dearborn is the fact that they will deny benefits based upon waiting for medical records, as opposed to some other companies that will continue to pay the benefits while they're trying to gather the information. It seems that Dearborn has more of an impetus and a drive to get you off disability as soon as possible. I've represented multiple clients under Dearborn National claims, and it always seems to see that they have a similar claims approach, in the sense that when it comes to medical evidence, it's a numbers game for them. If they have more doctors agree with their position as opposed to what you have, even if their doctors have never treated you, examined you, seen you, anything, they'll always rely upon their doctors and make you fight them. Not so long ago, only about just over 2 years ago now, there was even a federal court case where that was one of the arguments posed by Dearborn. In this case in particular, the lady had become disabled in 2003. She had filed for long-term disability. There was a period of payment. The claim was eventually denied. She went through her appeal process. No surprise, it denied it again. Federal lawsuit was filed. She actually lost at the trial stage. The court determined that the insurance company didn't act unreasonable. Her attorneys then appealed this decision to a higher federal court, a federal court of appeals, which is just below the Supreme Court. The federal court of appeals determined that the lower court should have taken a look at the claim under what they call a de novo review of standard of review, which means the judge is going to make a determination whether or not he thinks the person is disabled. So it goes back down to the judge. And now we're talking 2010, 7 years after the fact. And there was argument back and forth between Dearborn's attorneys and her attorneys. Dearborn argued, well, we had 5 doctors take a look at it, and they said that she wasn't disabled, as opposed to her only having two doctors claim that she was disabled and support her claim. The court was pretty open and honest and upfront in reprimanding them for saying this isn't a matter of quantitative, it's qualitative. What's the medical evidence? What's the medical evidence showing? If this was simply a situation where if you have more, you win, then no one would ever win. So the judge even pointed out that this seemed to be a tactic that Dearborn wanted to employ in reviewing the claims files. Eventually, her claim, she did win at trial, and her claim was reinstated for the back benefits that were owed. But I think as most important, it kind of serves as an example and supports this fact that Dearborn's fairly aggressive in their claims handling process. They're more prone to deny and make you fight every couple weeks, especially on short-term claims. So if you do have a Dearborn National claim, you're thinking about filing a claim for benefits under one of the policies, or you're having issues, feel free to give us a call. We're more than happy to look at everything, let you know what we might be able to do to help you out.